this is Jacob and Travis's trampoline. Ryder, Jacob and Travis are going to jump on it, and I'm going to show you something really for daddies.
Hey, look, I'm high.
Hey! So that's one of my favorite things to do. We let Zena and Zoe in. It's the dog. Zena is like a black dog, and Zoe is like a brownish white dog. And this is Jacob and Travis in a little circle, just like a trampoline. Hey, come back here.
I'm gonna go on this side.
And so, this is.
We can't see you really. You're in the shade.
Well, you guys can't.
It's not all about her.
It's not?
No.
Mom, could I show the backyard everywhere? Guys, guess what? That's not snow. Mommy, I saw snow. It went like you.
Ryder, you having fun?
Yeah. Hey, yes. Let me get with Zena.
Let's go check on Tegan.
Yeah. Hey, wait. Daddy, wait.
Look into Tegan. Hey, you can't have that. Give me that. Are you so sad? Are you so sad? Here, you want to crawl? Go get it. Go get it. Yeah. Open it.
I can't because I'm holding Zena.
Tegan.
This is what Zena looks like. And Zoe's over there in her cage. We'll go look at her. Follow me.
It's okay.
This is where she claws. She claws like this. She's a very cute dog. Goodbye.
Tegan, did you get the book? Where's the book? Show Mommy. Tegan. Tegan. Look at that bed hair. She just woke up from a nap. Tegan. Say. Mwah, 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 mwah. Mwah, 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 mwah. Mwah, 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 mwah. Are you gonna go crawl again? Go get it. Go get it. Come on. Come on. Let's go get it. Come here. Come here. Tegan.